Hello everyone, welcome in the next video. In the last video, we have seen the appreciation of the poem Try Again, written by W.E. Higson. In this video, we are going to learn how to write the appreciation of the poem The Little River, written by Bengali poet Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was a Bengali poet, painter, song composer and short story writer. He won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913. He was born on May 7, 1861 in Kolkata and died in August 7, 1941 in Kolkata. He composed the National Anthem of India. आपल्या स्वतंत्र भारताचे राष्ट्रगीत सुद्धा रवींद्रनाथ टागोर यांनी लिहिलेले आहे. Let's start the appreciation of the poem The Little River. First of all, we will read the poem. Okay, look at the title of the poem The Little River. The poet of the poem is Rabindranath Tagore. These are the rhyming words from the poem. Deep, steep, bright, white, sight, night. Shade, wade, done, return, fish, dish. Strong, along, again, rain. With the help of these rhyming words, we can decide the rhyming scheme of the poem. The poem has 5 stanzas. They contains 4 lines, but last stanza has 6 lines. Okay. And the rhyme scheme of the poem is A, B, C, B and A, 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 A. Sometimes rhyme schemes are different for each stanza, but you can write the rhyme scheme of the first stanza. So the rhyme scheme of the first stanza is A, B, C, B and the second stanza is A, A and A. Okay. कधी कधी कवितेमध्ये प्रत्येक कडव्याला वेगवेगळी राईम स्कीम असू शकते, पण तुम्ही पहिल्या कडव्याची राईम स्कीम लिहिली तरी चालणार आहे. The rhyme scheme of the first stanza is A, B, C, B and the second stanza is A. Okay. Now we are going to see the figures of speech used by the poet in the poem. This poem is an excellent example of alliteration. I have told you what do you mean by alliteration in earlier video. Alliteration, it means the repetition of similar sounds in a group of words. It is used for emphasizing and for giving musical effect to the poem. These are the examples of alliteration from the poem. And cows and cats can cross it with ease. No sign of slime. The sand shines bright. Girls and boys bath close to the bank. Okay. In the first example, k sound is repeated. In the next example, we can see s or s sound is repeated here. In the third example, we can see b sound or b sound is repeated. You can find out the another examples of alliteration in the next stanzas. The next figure of speech is used by the poet is onomatopoeia. It means a word which imitates the natural sounds of a thing, or it is a word which is the sound of that thing. ओके, म्हणजेच या अलंकारात ध्वनी, आवाज किंवा साऊंड्स व्यक्त करणारे शब्द काव्यपंक्तीमध्ये वापरले जातात. यालाच मराठीमध्ये आपण ध्वनी अनुकरणात्मक अलंकार असे म्हणतो आणि इंग्लिशमध्ये यालाच ऑनमॅटोपोएटिक वर्ड्स असे म्हणतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, the roar of the waves deafening. Here the word roar means गर्जना करणे. हा शब्द आपल्याला आवाजाची जाणीव करून देतो. roar of waves means लाटांची गर्जना. Next example is chirping mynas through that side. Chirping means किलबिलाट, पक्ष्यांचा किलबिलाट. Next, the jackal's howl is heard there at night. Howl means ओरडणे. These are the examples of onomatopoeia in the poem. You can find out the other examples of this figure of speech from the poem. Now we are going to write the appreciation of the poem. The Little River. The title of the poem is The Little River. The name of the poet is Rabindranath Tagore. The rhyme scheme of the poem is ABCB. Figure of speech used by the poet in the poem are alliteration and onomatopoeia. The next and the last point is theme or the central idea of the poem. The poet is describing the river and village life. He tells us that we should always like the nature and our village. We should connect to our village as well as nature. या ठिकाणी मला थोडंसं सांगायचं आहे. पहा, तुम्ही रवींद्रनाथ टागोर यांच्या नावाचं स्पेलिंग लिहिताना तुम्हाला काळजी घ्यायची आहे. कारण बरीचशी मुलं रवींद्रनाथ टागोर त्यांच्या नावाचे स्पेलिंग लिहिताना ब न लिहिता व्ही लिहितात. ते टाळणे आवश्यक आहे. स्पेलिंग चुकले तर मार्क्स मिळत नाही, हे लक्षात घ्या. म्हणजे तुम्हाला इथे व्ही न लिहिता काय लिहायचं आहे, बी लिहायचं आहे, हे लक्षात ठेवायचे. ठीक आहे. So guys, I think you are now able to write the appreciation of the poem. So start to write the appreciation of the poem. Okay, thank you.